Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn Evs1 standard 4th chapter number 11, A Look Inside the Body. Think and tell. Why do we punt when we have been running hard for some time? Answer. When we run fast, sometime our body needs more oxygen, so we start breathing quickly. Even our pulse rate increases or become faster. B. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is meant by internal organs? Answer. An organ which is situated inside the body and which cannot be seen from outside is called an internal organ. Heart, brain, lungs are example of internal organs. Number 2. Name the two cavities in the abdomen. Answer. Abdominal cavity, pelvis cavity. Number 3. Which important organs are situated in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity? Answer. The heart and the lungs are situated in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity. Number 4. Why does the chest swell when we breathe in? Answer. When we breathe in, our lungs expand. Thus our chest swells when we breathe in air. Number 5. Why is the brain situated in the casing of the skull? Answer. An injury to the brain can make one person disabled for life or can even cause death. Hence, the brain needs to be protected. This is done by the casing of the skull. C. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The internal organs that help digest food are digestive organs. Number 2. We have dash lungs. 2. Number 3. Every dash of the heart is called heartbeat, contraction. Number 4. We become dash of all our emotions in the brain, aware. Number 5. The structures of the human body is very dash, complex. D. True or false? Number 1. The esophagus is in the thoracic cavity. True. Number 2. The heart is a little bigger than our fist. True. Number 3. The food in the mouth forms a moist lump. True. Number 4. In the brain we interpret the informations collected by the sensory organs. True. Give reasons why. Number 1. The structures of the body is such that all internal organs remain secure in their places. Answer. The structures of the body is such that all internal organs remain secure in their places. They will be able to perform the bodily functions smoothly. Number 2. Blood must be kept flowing in the blood vessels through the body. Answer. Blood must be kept flowing in the blood vessel throughout the body because the air breath, the food we eat is carried to all the parts of the body through the blood. Number 3. The brain has to be kept completely safe. Answer. The brain has to be kept completely safe because it controls all that we do, and if the brain is injured, it can make person disabled or can even cause death. F. Match the following. Group A and answer. Blood supply, heart. Breathing, lungs. Carrying food to the stomach. Alimentary canal. Controlling movements, brain. Thank you.